In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automations in Smartsheet. If you've got a sheet that's firing off alerts, reminders, or updates that you don't need right now, turning off the automation is quick and clean. Start by opening the specific sheet where the automation is running. At the top of the sheet, look for the automation option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the area where Smartsheet shows the workflows tied to the sheet, so you can see exactly what's active and what each one does. On this screen, you'll see your automation workflows listed out. Each workflow typically shows its name, trigger, and status, which makes it easier to confirm you're looking at the right one. Take a moment to identify the workflow you want to pause. If you've named your workflows clearly, use those names as your guide. If not, glance at the trigger or last modified details to make sure you've picked the correct automation. This brief check helps you avoid switching off something important by accident. Once you've found the workflow you want to turn off, move your cursor to that workflows row and look for the vertical three-dot icon, often shown on the far right. This is the More Options menu for that specific workflow. Click the three dots and a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose Deactivate. Smartsheet may update the status right away, indicating that the workflow is no longer active. Deactivating a workflow simply pauses it. The triggers stop running, and no further actions are sent from that workflow until you decide to turn it back on. It doesn't delete your setup or your conditions, so you won't lose the work you did to build it. That makes deactivation a safe choice when you just need a temporary stop, like during testing, downtime, or when a project phase is ended. If you don't see the option to deactivate, double-check that you're working in a sheet rather than a report, and that you have the right permissions on the sheet. Owners and admins can manage automations. Editors may be limited depending on how the sheet is shared. After deactivation, you're all set. The automation won't run until you return to the same menu and reactivate it later. That's the entire process. Open your sheet, click Automation on the toolbar, find the workflow you want, open its three-dot menu, and select Deactivate. Simple, reliable, and completely reversible.